Hello everyone, we just finished our class. Today we have Prima. Prima, so can you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone. Hi, thank you so much. My name is Prima and I'm on week 11. I just finished my class today and the experience here was amazing. I learned a lot of things. It was so mentally stimulating. I loved it here. Honestly, I wanted to come here after work as well. Was that interesting for me because I get to learn a lot of things, what was going on in the market and really implement what's there in the market, so I could implement what's actually in IT department, what people are doing. So it's really helpful, really handy. So yes, it's kind of very mentally stimulating and very good. Yes.
Perfect. So can you tell me some of the skills that you learned today?
So today specifically we learned Intunes. It's one of the Microsoft 365 apps. We learned how to configure policies, deploy devices, as well as some tenancy administrations, and there are many more, guys. You have to come and experience it to know. So yeah.
Do you think the graduates who are studying in university or college, do you think would TechSkills be helpful for them?
Definitely. So I would 100% recommend TechSkills for this one. I'm not joking. It's my personal. I've not read any script and everything. I've just my personal advice to everyone. If you're really into IT and want a job in IT, I would highly recommend TechSkills because you will get in-depth knowledge of what's going on in the actual market here at TechSkills. So yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Prima.
Thank you so much.